Welcome back to How Car USA, the channel where classic legends meet modern performance and futuristic luxury. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most beautiful retro-modern creations ever imagined, the incredible 2026 Ford Model A Restomod. This machine perfectly blends 1930s American heritage with cutting-edge 2026 engineering, and honestly, this might be one of the coolest classic revivals we've ever seen. Let's start with the bonnet. The long and elegant bonnet of the 2026 Ford Model A Restomod is finished in a stunning shiny green color that instantly gives this car a premium collector vibe. The hood features smooth vintage curves mixed with modern aerodynamic details and polished chrome accents. Functional cooling vents are integrated into the side panels, helping improve airflow while maintaining the classic design language. Under the hood, this modern classic is expected to carry a 2.7-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 engine producing around 310 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. Ford may also offer a mild hybrid setup for smoother performance and improved fuel economy. At the front, the Model A Restomod keeps its legendary upright grille but upgrades it with black chrome and polished silver trim. The classic round headlights now feature advanced LED matrix technology that provides crystal-clear visibility at night. Slim LED indicators are carefully integrated into the fenders without disturbing the car's vintage appearance. The front bumper combines polished chrome with modern safety engineering, creating a perfect balance between old-school beauty and modern functionality. From the sides, the car looks absolutely stunning. The flowing fenders, wide body stance, and premium alloy wheels create a timeless design that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. Red pinstriping along the body adds a handcrafted luxury touch that American classic car enthusiasts absolutely love. The shiny green exterior reflects beautifully in sunlight, making this Restomod look like a $1 million custom build. Modern suspension technology lowers the stance slightly while maintaining comfortable road performance. At the rear, the Model A Restomod continues its elegant vintage identity with modern upgrades. The rear features beautifully designed LED taillights inspired by classic lantern shapes but updated for today's standards. Chrome detailing around the trunk and bumper gives the car a luxury appearance, while dual-polished exhaust tips add a sporty personality. Dynamic LED indicators and modern brake lighting improve visibility and safety during nighttime driving. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a handcrafted luxury lounge from another era. The interior is finished with premium light brown luxury leather seats that provide exceptional comfort and style. The seats are soft, spacious, heated, ventilated, and designed with detailed stitching that gives the cabin a truly premium atmosphere. American buyers who love comfort and classic luxury will absolutely appreciate this setup. The dashboard features a beautiful wood-color luxury finish with polished chrome accents across the cabin. Classic analog gauges with chrome rings maintain the vintage spirit, while hidden digital displays provide navigation, performance information, and entertainment features. The dashboard combines old-school craftsmanship with modern technology in a very elegant way. Now let's talk about the steering features. The vintage-style steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather and wood trim, creating a luxurious driving experience. Multifunction controls are hidden carefully within the design, allowing drivers to control music, navigation, voice commands, and driving modes. Electronic power steering ensures smooth handling while maintaining the analog driving feel of the original Model A. When it comes to speed and performance, the 2026 Ford Model A Restomod is surprisingly powerful for a classic-inspired machine. Thanks to its turbocharged EcoBoost engine, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5.5 seconds with a top speed close to 155 miles per hour. Advanced adaptive suspension and upgraded braking systems provide excellent control and comfort during both city driving and highway cruising. Technology inside this modern Restomod is designed for today's luxury market. Features include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, premium surround sound audio, wireless charging, ambient interior lighting, keyless entry, push-button start, and a hidden touchscreen infotainment system. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, collision warning, and a 360-degree camera system. The 2026 Ford Model A Restomod is also expected to offer customizable driving modes, allowing drivers to switch between comfort, touring, and sport settings. This gives the car both relaxed cruising ability and modern sporty performance whenever needed. In the United States, experts estimate the starting price for the 2026 Ford Model A Restomod could begin around $95,000, while fully customized collector editions may exceed $150,000 depending on options and craftsmanship. Limited production numbers would also make this one of the most desirable modern classic cars on the market. So what do you think? Is this the perfect rebirth of the legendary Ford Model A? Would you choose this over modern luxury sedans and sports cars? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching How Car USA, where automotive legends return stronger, smarter, and more luxurious than ever before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible car content. We'll see you in the next one.